What's up guys, Pixel Sammy here, and in this video I'm going to show you a special kind of glitch effect which Dan Mace used in his latest video. So with that being said, this is how this effect looks. And let's get started. Okay, so the first thing which you need to do is you need to have very small clips or videos or photos, whichever you want. I don't have any videos or photos as of now, so I am using Dan Mace's picture with different kind of color gradients for each and every photo. But you should use video footages which are clicked in the same background. I repeat, in the same backgrounds, so that the effect looks properly done. Otherwise it will not look good, and if it is not in the same background, then it will look a bit odd or something like that, and it won't look good. So as Dan Mace use a lot of footages of very different kind of people from all over the world and in the same background, that is the reason that this effect looks so cool. But as I don't have any pictures or videos as of now, or I don't even have a white screen or green screen as of now, so I'm going to use a single photo of Dan Mace, and I have copied it and color graded it with 7 or 8 different colors, and I'm going to show it using these photos. But you should use a video to make it look the best. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to drag one of the footages on top of another and then increase its length, then use the blade tool to cut that portion, and then for this particular clip go to the effects panel and type in mask and drag the draw mask onto the clip. And then you need to draw a mask in shape of a square or rectangle or whatever you feel like, and then you need to invert the mask. And if you have a video, then this effect will look cool, and as this is the photo and of the same person, that is why it is not looking so good. But if it's a video and of different persons, then it will look better. And then what you need to do is, this is the tricky part, drag the lower footage over the other and then increase its length, and then drag the mask portion over that, and then use the blade tool to cut that area, and then drag the draw mask onto this clip, and then keep on drawing mask like this. As this is a tricky portion, I'm going to explain it once more. Just let me finish with the mask. One more right there. And then invert the mask. And then drag the lower clip on top of another. And then again drag the mask clip over the original footage. And then use the blade. And if you don't understand this, please make sure to watch several times so that you guys can understand this. Because this is a bit confusing. This is honestly genuinely a confusing step. And you need to keep drawing masks like this so that this effect looks cool. And this is a bit lengthy portion, but if you are done with this portion and if you have spent a lot of hours in this particular effect, then this effect will look really cool. And then you need to keep continuing this for each and every clip. Just remember that you need to increase the size of the clip below the mask clip, and then cut that clip and then place the mask clip over the original clip like I showed you before. Now one thing I forgot to mention in this video is that each and every clip should be of at least 2 frames. 2 frames only, not at least, I'm sorry. It should be around 2 frames only. 1 frame or 2 frame or 3 frame, not more than that, because the faster this effect is, the better this effect will look. So as I did not mention this before, I'm going to cut each and every clip to up to 2 frames only, and then just manage it to do it like that. And this is how this effect looks. And then I'm going to place the mask once more. So that is pretty much it. All you need to do is keep on placing the mask, as many masks as you want. If you want to make it more mask, you can play with this, and if you want to play with the settings, then you can play with the scale and scale also, scale of the mask and scale of the footages also. So that is pretty much it. And if you want more such detailing about this particular effect, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys, hope you have liked my video, and if you are into cinematography, photography and filmmaking, then my channel is just for you, and I am about to reach 3000 subscribers really soon, so thank you so much for that. And if you like my content and if you like the stuff I do in my channel, then please make sure to press the thumbs up button, and if you like my content, then please make sure to press the subscribe button. And with that being said, this is Pixel Sammy signing out. Peace out.